Up, up, down, down. Up, 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 down. Welcome back. We're at part 9 already. This thing goes pretty quickly. So we're gonna finish off these dread challenges and then go to our next planet. So here we go. Well, oh, I didn't even read what we were doing.
Vehicular destruction. Drive hard and blast everything in sight.
Looks like we're shooting stuff. And guys do not give you points though. Is what I'm noticing. Jackpot. Oh, jackpot first. Jackpot first. Okay. Oh, see, there's a jackpot thing up there. I can't tell if the little things are the explodey barrels are good or bad. Like, are they giving me? Because, like, you remember in Gauntlet how the explodey barrels would like actually kill the item that was in it. I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I only need 25,000. I thought I needed 20,000.
I think explosions are pretty.
You can pretty much ignore those guys, and it's kind of looking like. No! No! Oh god, is there another one? There's gotta be another one. No. Okay, fail. Okay, wow. After I was like, oh, look how easy this is. Watch me just fucking do this. Is there any behind me? Looks like a no. To that one. Okay, get the jackpot one right here, and then unload, and unload, and unload. And quit going for the guys and unload. Should I save this one? I almost wonder if I should save that one for the other time. So this thing, it doesn't give you points, it looks like.
But Ace Hardline would have done it better.
No, I'm wasting jackpot time. I wonder if I get more points for killing them in like this, like all on the same go, as opposed to little bit by little bit. Okay. Come on, give me more points than that. Well, I was closer. I was closer. Fuck, this is gonna annoy the shit out of me. Okay, we have to like not hit that one jackpot until like the last second. So let's see. We do this. 800 for those. So we need to wait for a second. And like now kill it to maximize the time that I have to kill these. Okay, so there, see, that was more jackpot time. I'm gonna kind of ignore the guys. So I didn't get that one jackpot that was over the... So I hope I can get it here. Am I going to be able to get it here? Let's see if I can just fire things at it. I can't, so that was a colossal mistake. It's okay though. Okay, let's see. If I just shoot them and don't shoot the other ones. Fuck it. Yeah, it did worse. Okay. So, but I didn't get that jackpot that time. So had I've gotten the jackpot, I don't know how much the jackpot is, but had I've gotten the jackpot, it might have been a different story. See, 1100 that time. Remember last time I got 800? So I think there is something to blowing them up. Blowing them up together. So I think doing the same thing. Okay, I just do need to hit this one. Maybe this is the one that I gotta save. And like, go back and hit it now. Maybe that's what I gotta do. I'm not really in any danger of dying, so I'm gonna wait till I'm around the corner so I can see if I can kill all 5 of these in one go. Okay, there. I think I got it now.
We are out of range, aren't we?
Pretty sure. Let's take a look. Did it. All right. Look at that. 500 points to, no, 1,500 just there. 720 no scope. Ah. And done. Okay. Whack a swarmer. Kill as many as possible within the time limit. I'm assuming that they're actually going to give me a number that I need to kill.
Pure madness. Swarmer madness. Let's see how many enemies Ratchet can destroy before time runs
Yeah, see, I
out.
need 181. Let's go this way then. I actually think the Arbiter is going to be a bad weapon for this. Like killing a bunch of little guys. I don't know, we'll see. I think I just prefer the shotgun. It's got good range and much better attack speed. Halfway, we're halfway around the thing. Kind of looking like we got plenty of time. Is it only giving us the Arbiter and the shotgun? Don't go in, it looks like. Okay. 8 skill points. We got 1 left. Eliminate all the enemies within each wave. Okay. Here goes. Shotgun's great for like knocking people back, like when they show up right on the edge. I'm gonna swap to the Raptors, gain them some levels. So I was thinking on like how to power level in Diablo 3, and I was like, why not just play the game? Like, you need gear anyway, and you get gear by playing the game. I don't know, I don't really understand the point. But maybe if you've already got, like, a couple of 60s, you're not as worried about leveling up. Like, if you've already got stuff for them, kind of waiting. I don't know, I personally was just like, you know, not for me, but... Also, I'm totally stuck in that game. I can't kill the boss that I'm at. As a warrior. As a warrior with a shield, I get 2-shot. Got like a 75% damage reduction or something silly. And 40,000 life, and it's just like, nope, you're dead right now. It's like, great. Alright, so we finished all the ones there, so let's go ahead and go to Orxon. Oxon? Orxon.
Kids across the galaxy know that wearing the right pajamas can give you superpowers.
I'm Gamatron. My eyes shoot laser beams.
Like the conduit switch.
I'm Reactor. I can eat metal.
You didn't actually eat it.
I can fly.
Oh, I love that part.
Sir, we have the latest sales figures.
And what's the bottom line?
It's the same droid.
Nobody's buying the new Ace Hardlight merchandise. In fact, sales are down across the board except for fuzzy Lombax ears.
We sell those?
Yes, sir. They're an accessory for the Tiny Tots assault weapons kit.
Well, you've obviously made some sort of idiotic mistake. Report to B-level for disintegration.
Yes, sir.
Wait,
Sir?
on your way there, tell the lab to set up a focus test. Find out why this stuff isn't selling.
I'll get right on that, sir.
He didn't mention how long it needs to take him to do that. So he could just take a vacation right now. And then not be disintegrated. It's called a loophole. And I think we need to find more of them.
We're here on the beautiful Blargian homeworld of Orxon, overlooking a massive
Orxon,
rare
okay, I was
mining
right.
facility. Each week, challengers navigate their way through the facility with one goal in mind: destroy it. Dreadzone would like to thank the generous people of planet Orxon for donating a new mining facility every week.
Every week. I'm impressed at their ability to create mining facilities.
Sir, permission to speak freely?
Denied. Mini-bomb mod. Let's do that. I don't use either of those. Morphling mod I don't use either. But we want the Arbiter to have... There it is. Mini-bomb mod. Spawns explosive mini-bombs with every shot. This mod can be attached to any weapon that uses explosive ammo. It packs multiple Duridium fusion mini-bombs into every ammo round, causing the mini-bombs to explode out and seek enemies on impact. Yes.
This place stinks.
Wait, didn't I say
Ratchet,
no?
you have a choice of 2 different paths. I'm afraid each one is equally dangerous.
Then the fuck does it matter? I'll be honest. You know what I haven't seen in a while? Those melee guys. That like run straight at you. I haven't seen those guys in a while. Let's go. Let's go this way.
Oh, they chose the path on the right. They're gonna regret that.
Whoop. Flail. Yeah. I had the feeling there were dudes like right across. Oh, whoa, whoop, whoa, whoa! Oh, I made it. Die, die. Oh my God, die. Okay. Oh. Does the Arbiter go through this? It does. Alright. Half and half. I have no idea what these achievements are. But here looks like some ammo.
Folks, we're halfway through, and I don't know about you, but I am ready for some more carnage.
Scorpion file. Kill stuff. Shit, did I just get hit by that guy? Son of a bitch. I think I'm hitting it.
This is what they mean by
Am I-
gratuitous
maybe
violence,
I'm not.
Juanita. I'm gonna call my kids and tell them
Okay,
to
you
stop
just died.
watching.
Okay.
Just as soon as I have kids.
Now that I wasted like 10 ammo on little guy. Oh, behind us! There's a bunch of little guys. Oh! Let's take that thing out. Arbiter. Shit, missed. Whoa, stun him again. 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 You guys are terrible listeners. Help you lose.
Now you're making me mad.
Now you're making me mad.
Don't go anywhere. They've only got.
Alright, stuff's getting into the 1,000 now. This is
force
exciting.
field left.
Are there more guys up here? Oh. Alright, here we go. Looks like we got the thing to start spinning again. It can't possibly do anything though, since they're all spinning opposite directions. Like, it can't be like powering a drill. I got 4 skill points that time. Don't want to say I'm amazing just yet, because I'm probably going to fail this next mission horribly. Yep, there's a
Stage 2,
scorpion,
our
or a
contestant must boost his way up to
livestocker.
the second tier and capture 6 control nodes.
6 control nodes, says he. A change in the wind, says I. Yeah, I'm sure that should do that. Alright. Wait, is there more? Oh! Yes! Woo! Thing saving my life. Shit!
Team Darkstar is making their mark in red zone. Team
Oh.
Darkstar is making their mark in red zone. Oh dear, I've gone cross-eyed.
Okay, is that the last of them? Christ. Here's some ammo. Hope that in walking across this I don't... Yep, I just did. I was gonna say summon more guys. Okay. Here we go. Shit! 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 Ah, damn it. I didn't even do anything. Like, I didn't do anything that round. That's why I can't say that I'm good at this game yet. Shit. Look how much damage that did! That did 20 damage! Granted, it's a tank, but... Die. Thank you. See, he listens. Nope, nope, we're ignoring. Look! Look! Oh, shit. Thought we were ignoring. I guess we're not ignoring. Guess we're still going. Ah, shit. I need to end it here. Okay. I didn't... just failed a couple of times. Great. Okay. Well, it was fun anyway, and I will see you guys next time. Alright? Later.